bande rode doctor ina emwasa kusaba iko sibula bwo mwati yuko abite biwendeke.
Obusinga bwa Rwenzururu buriyo n'ubutandikaho Crusade Natural Talent rwo kushemesa abantu aha kwinjira abana bakiri bato kandi bagizire ngweki nicyo kiri kizibira abana kuzo mu mashomero kandi kiteganisa Kingdom yona ehurregi ehirwayo aha cyoro cye karamu hekijaguzibwa buri 2015 okwezi kwa munana mwaka ogu kandi ekibire ahari International Hotel muri Kasese Municipality kandi eki kibire nko mu mwaringo gumwe gwo kuterera umuranga obusinga okureba ngo bayongezamo amani ombyo bwegese. Dr. Mande Julius Rodi ori umunyishengero wabo Konzo East kandi ori ya person wakakiko kebyamagaro mu ishengero ahire kishaneki ahari ibiro kuteganisa obusinga kandi ubwo yongire yagira ngo bucweka 20 harigana aha abana batakagizika imyaka 19 nibaremwa kwendera imishomo yabo kandi eki akegekerira hari yabo bari kwinjira abana bakiri bato.
4% eyabana abemyaka 19 Kasese have experienced pregnancy. Kasese abana bemyaka eyo baba kama nsema bakabutanuba
omuringo ngugumwe kandi obwabirajwekire omusinga His Majesty Charles Wesley Mumbere oriyenganziyo obusinga Right Honorable Balthazar Kure Benson ahamiza amakuru kugira ngo obusinga nubwo yongerayo okutungura ebyo bwegese kandi ubwo ashoborire ngo emyaka ehwireho barigire kushemesa abana bari kurenga 200 ombya science kandi bahirize no kutunga za scholarships ziri kurenga 50 omu government.
And His Excellency the President accepted to give 50 scholarships per year, and this one is a way of promoting the pen, of promoting education in this region. So His Majesty has been giving out 50 scholarships per year. Now this is the 4th year that this has happened. We are talking about 200 people who are now benefiting from these scholarships.
Omukugamba kwe Muhinde Elifaz orumukuru w'entebe ya katano wa district ya Kasese ateri n'umuranga bukiri kwataho bona okureba ngo batamu amano kutungura ebyo bwegese kandi oguyashabana abona bukiri kwataho okureba ngo batandikaho university omucekeki okuyamba abana okutunga na no kongera hamishomo yabo
na haja tukanze bwere tunge public university ekyo muyisa tomabeta tunga esha private universities abe Rwenzori International University bana musomeseria hano babitsuke university abe Bugema University bana utantwa campus naba Uganda Christian University abe Mukono bana utakagando Mukono campus the review speak up kangana ya next university na utantwa abana team university kwasanga naba Rwenzori college nabo bana mutungada nese ekikakukangana and we are set
ohireho ebyo bwegese obusinga byo no butandikaho no kureba ngo bwajujumbisa eminyeto ombya okushemerwa ahabo kugira ngo nicyo kimwe cyo yongire no kwereza abana na munonge eminyeto mirimo kandi hari yecyo obusinga burukwetebekanisa coronation yo murundogu erikuza kubaho 2017 kwezi kw'ikumi abatandikireho okurabera mu bantu okugira ngo baza kutaho na kanvo yo kubashemeza eibesere cyakare kanivo kandeji nebaho eciro kimwe inyuma ya coronation egi kandi yamba abantu bona okoreka entaranta zabo hamwe bari kurabira mu bihangwa hamwe no kweshongora.
So base celebrating culture yetu etunomulenderera coronation yo musenga eyo murundo wengaga ekisabe 2017 ukweriku so masinjeranza obusenga masinjeranza culture masinjerianza olulimi oluyira
Gasha kwa Mate Isaac bwa Tayari West.